Hi everyone, this is Isabella Shabby Hippie again. Welcome to my channel, welcome back to my older subscribers, and welcome to my new ones. Thank you for being here. I'm here today to do a quick video to just show the papers that I will be working with this time around for my next design team project. This design team project is going to be for Lina, which is Junk Journal Craft Lina, here on YouTube, on Etsy, and on Facebook, and on Instagram. So anywhere you look for her, you will find her as Junk Journal Craft Lina. And these papers are called the romantic, romantic papers. Okay. And romantic papers, I think collage papers or something along those lines. I will leave the link to her shop down below, or I'll leave the link to these papers, one or the other. Either way, you're gonna find it. And then I just wanted to show you really quick how gorgeous these papers are. I've been wanting to work with this collection for a long time, and I haven't been able to because, yeah, I'm always busy. And but this time I'm like, nope, I just want to go with these. They're calling my name. They really are. They have all the elements that I love. They're shabby, Victorian, antique, and the colors are the perfect pinks, the aqua. I mean, what else can a girl ask for, you know? The frames, the bird, nature, butterflies, you know, it's just clocks. I love clocks, music. It's just script. It's just everything that I love. So I am not 100% sure yet what I'm going to make with this. It is designed for specifically for a folio type journal, or not journal, for a folio. Well, I guess, well, you'll see as we go along. But anyway, and she does, by the way, if I'm not mistaken, she has a video on how she used these papers. I could be wrong. It could be a different video from another set of papers that are similar to these, but I'm not sure. But I will leave her YouTube channel down below as well. As again, she's Junk Journal Craft Lina here on YouTube, so you'll be able to see, you know, check it out for yourself. So that's one of the papers. This particular collection only has 3 collage sheets and some tags and an envelope. Okay, so it's just gorgeous. I mean, oh my goodness, it's just so beautiful. All the elements and the placing of all of the elements. She has a way with papers. It's amazing. I just love her papers. And then, okay, so those are the 3 collage sheets, sorry. And this is the envelope. Okay, and then these are the tags. Oh, what's this? Oh, okay. So this is what we have here. And so I will be making something with this. Again, I'm not sure what, because you know, it doesn't have a lot of it's not a big collection, but it's definitely gorgeous. So, you know, usually for me to make a journal, I like to have a lot of variety, but it doesn't mean that it cannot be done. So again, I'm not sure what I'm going to make. If it's a journal, you'll be the first to know. If it's not, you'll be the first to know as well. So but yes, so everyone, if you're interested in these papers, make sure you go over to her shop. If you want to see her work, what she makes with her digitals, run over to her channel and just let her know that I sent you, okay guys? And as soon as I have something made, although I might possibly do a craft with me if I can wrap my head around what I'm going to be doing, but I might have a craft with me, or I might just bring you a completed project, okay? So again, this one is for Junk Journal Craft Lina. And yep, thank you, Lina, for these gorgeous papers. And thank you all for watching. And I will see you guys soon. Oh, and by the way, it'll be Easter in what, 2 more days? 3 more days? 3 more days. And so just happy Easter to everyone. I love you all. I hope you have a wonderful and blessed Easter with all of your family and friends. And yep, that's all I can say. Thank you all for being here. Bye-bye. Take care.